Hopelessness is not a personality trait. It's a neural pathway. When you repeat discouragement, your brain learns to expect disappointment. Your subconscious begins to believe change is impossible. But neuroplasticity means your brain can learn hope again. The lie, "I'll never change," creates resignation, spiritual fatigue, emotional heaviness, a sense of being stuck. It convinces you that your past is stronger than God's promise. Philippians 1:6 says, "He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion." Not might, not maybe, will. Speak this: God is completing the work in me. Change is happening, even when I can't see it. You've judged yourself by your progress. God judges you by His promise. This is how hope becomes a neural pathway. This is how your subconscious learns expectancy. This is how transformation becomes inevitable. Repeat this truth today. Let hope become your new default. Your subconscious shapes 90% of your life, your reactions, emotions, and identity. If you're ready to renew your mind at the level where transformation actually happens, I created a biblical neuroplasticity course that teaches you exactly how to do that. It's simple, powerful, and rooted in Scripture. You can start today. The link is in the description.